So what's up, kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So maligayang Pasko sa inyo, no? So habang naghihintay ako, nandito ako ngayon sa may Rusi Baliwag. Pinaayos ko si Pepe, yung aking RFI 175, no? Pero yun nga, habang naghihintay tayo na ginagawa yung ating motor, so meron akong nakita, ano, magre-reaction video lang tayo dito sa bagong motorcycle nila, itong Euromotor Samurai 155i. Sana natin yung vlog or reaction video para dito sa motorcycle na to. Let's go!
Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? You're out of your mind. I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo. I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that I've ever done it. I'm new, coming back better than before. But don't look at me, cause you close the door. So watch out and fear me now. I can get real mean if you sell me out. I can get real green, got me hulking now. I don't forget those things, don't hear me loud. I focus on my...
So ayun na nga, no? Reaction video tayo rito habang nandito tayo sa may Rusi. Pero yung papakita natin is Euromotor. So sana nga natin. Okay, let's go. Uy, una pa lang, no, appearance pa lang niya, stylish yung kanyang appearance. Yan, nakalagay daw stylish appearance. Ayan. Uy, naka fully LED lights. Grabe to, boy. Grabe. Pero napansin natin dito, meron akong motor na napansin, yung kamukha niya is yung Honda Click 160 dito sa unahan, no? Makita natin dito halos parehas. So mukhang etong Honda Click 160 naman yung kanilang target na gayahin. Kasi last time meron silang Honda Click 150 na carb type, tsaka yung 150cc EFI, no, na Honda Click. So ngayon naman target nila is 160 pero 155i sa kanila. LED, wow, angas, ganda. Nastig nito, boy. Oh, gusto ko yung appearance nung ano niya, nung LED sa headlight, no? Kasi ang angas, napaka futuristic nung kanyang design, no? Ganda ng itsura. So keyless na rin to. Nice. Tapos meron siyang USB port. Nice. Samurai 155i. Naka ECU na din. Tapos unique emblem, lagi naman. Meron din silang side pocket para sa phone storage. Yan, maganda yan. Say, napansin nyo ba? Halos same sila nung 160. Yung Honda Click 160, di ba? Pareha sila nung itsura dito. Okay. Uy, naka EFI, tapos naka Enhanced Smart Power Plus. May plus, take note, may plus. Okay. Ayos to, galing, Oh, naka tubeless tires yung harap at likod. Maganda yung ano, yung sa side, naka radiator siya. Naka liquid cooled. Uy, naka liquid cooled na rin pala to. Tapos stylish yung kanyang muffler. Naka combi brake na rin siya. Naka disc brake yung harap at likod. May combi brake din. Ayos, galing. And then naka premium seat cover. Ayos, astig. Ganda nung ano, ganda nung tawag ito, decals. Minimalist lang siya. Okay, ayan. Malaki yung compartment. Okay, 6.5 liters yung kanyang fuel tank capacity. Naka LED digital panel. Uy, so sana ano, no, mag TFT display na rin sila rito. Pero kagandahan, colored yung kanilang digital panel. Nice, good job tayo dito para kay Euromotor. Soft touch features. Touchscreen? Hindi ko alam, Maganda rin yung kanyang keyless na remote, no? Yan, may alarm din siya. Ganda ng itsura. May skill switch yung kanyang side stand. Ayan, ayos. Tapos meron siyang idling stop. Tingnan nyo yung buong kabuuan ng motorcycle. Grabe. Pero mukhang malaki siya. Parang feeling ko kasing laki din niya yung Honda Click 160. Pero sana meron tayong side by side na comparison video para dito, no? Pero syempre gawa natin ang paraan para ma side by side na comparison natin. Alam niyo naman, 'di ba? So, ayos to. Naka-idling stop pa, 'di ba? Talagang, oh my god. Gusto ko yung ginagawa ni ni Euromotor pagdating sa mga motorcycle na nire-release nila. Yung design, alam naman natin nandoon na 'yon eh. Sa panahon ngayon, talagang marami nang magkakamuka na motor, no? Tulad ng Honda Click 125, 150. Meron si Euromotor, 'di ba? Meron si Rusi. Tapos sino pa ba meron? Sila lang yung nakita kong meron eh. Pero yun na nga, pagdating sa mga motorcycle na kamuka, sa panahon ngayon talagang yung design, doon na lang sila nagkakatalo. Sa performance, tapos kagandahan kasi dito, puro FI na. Tapos naka-liquid cooled. So asahan natin ngayong 2024 is puro magsisilabasan ay mga liquid cooled na mga motorcycle. So siguro nasa sa inyo na lang din kung ano yung mas bet nyo, ano yung mas prepared nyo, ano yung mas kaya ng budget nyo. Kasi tayo din naman mga consumer yung talagang gagamit nito, no? Wala naman tayong pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba kung trip natin itong motor na to, 'di ba? Nasa sa atin na rin naman 'yon. Basta ang mahalaga, hindi natin ninakaw yung motor, hindi natin winan 2 3, no? Yung motor, no? Pero yun na nga. So abangan natin itong motorcycle na to. Abangan natin 2024. Talagang marami tayong aabangan ng mga bagong motorcycle. Excited ako, no? Pero ngayon, maraming salamat sa mga suporta na binibigay nyo sa akin dito sa channel na to, no? At ayun, like and subscribe. Sana okay ang ating bagong taon, maging maayos lang, walang sakit, walang disgrasya. So ride safe tayo palagi. So I'm Mark D. Ciao. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kita-kita na lang ulit tayo bukas. Babush. Babush.
Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? You're out of your mind. I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo! I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that I've ever done it. I'm new, coming back better than before. But don't look at me, cause you closed the door. So watch out and fear me now. I can get real mean if you sell me out. I can get real green, got me hulking now. I don't forget those things, don't hear me loud. I focus on myself, I focus on my health. The greatest revenge is building up yourself. Your life and your drive, building up your wealth. Becoming something better than you've ever felt. If you got dreams that you're chasing, the fear in your life, stand up and face it. Ain't nobody coming to help, you're all alone in this world, in this life, embrace it. I know it might seem hard, it might seem tough, it may sound rough, but this state of mind will get you through a lot of stuff and keep you accountable to stay strong when it's tough. No help, I do it by myself, couldn't even tell it, I've been through well. But on the other side came a soldier, much bolder, standing broad shoulders. Step aside and give me the controller, I came here to win, I don't lose, high roller. I wanna be the best in the game, yeah I came to play and invest, stay colder. No matter how I do feel, I still gotta prove that I'm better. I never say never, I work all alone, I don't work together. I got big moves and they coming soon. I'ma be a tycoon in the boardroom. Everything is fine-tuned, got no excuse. Coming back like new when